Here's how you can generate viral Instagram carousels with Canva AI. If you want to create unlimited amount of Instagram carousels that can go viral, you can use Canva AI for it, and this is how you can do it. First of all, go onto your browser. It can be any browser that you're using and search for canva.com. Once you're on the main website, make sure to log in with an account. You can use your Google account for it. Now on the main site, you would see some options. On the left bar menu, you would see Canva AI, or you can just select Canva AI from here. Now you can ask Canva AI to create anything for you. All you need to do is just describe your idea. From the tags, you can click on Design for Me, then Social Media and Instagram Post. Now you can just give it the details of how you want your post to look. For example, I'm gonna ask him to create an Instagram carousel for me with a travel theme. Just for an example, and click on enter. You'll be switched on to more of a chat themed page, and here Canva AI will make your carousels. By just waiting for a few seconds, you would see that Canva AI has now made your post. You can also do one of the suggested suggestions, like click on with pictures of mountains landscape or with vintage colors. I'm gonna click on with pictures of mountain landscape. And just in a few seconds, it has created me more carousels according to the changes I said. You can ask for any changes by just typing it down. For example, if you want to change the font, the colors, or anything. By doing this, you can easily create any post that you want with Canva AI. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe.